Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Tivimate IPTV player to your Firestick or Android TV in 2025. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to the Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar right here, and start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and now here's the app which you need to get to your Firestick. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we need to go to the settings. So we click on that button, and then scroll down and open My Fire TV. So we open it, and now in here, what we need to do is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. And from here, all you need to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. So here it is, let's open it. And now here, what we need to do is locate the downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Ukraine right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And it's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So locate the Downloader application and open it. And now in there, what you need to do next is just open the search bar, which you can see on my screen, and there we'll be entering a link, which will be tivimate.com. So let's start entering it. Once again, it's gonna be tivimate.com. So there we go. Just like that, enter the link as you can see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link will not work, obviously. After that, click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more amazing content on your Firestick. And after that, when this website opens, all you need to do is scroll it down and click on that blue download APK button. So click on it, and now the download of the app will start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. After that, after the download is finished, click install and make sure that the app gets properly installed on your device. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's go back to the list of apps on your Firestick, open it, wait a moment for it to load, and here's the Tivimate IPTV player now. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.